Hi everybody. So here I have the Foseal 6.5 feet micro USB to HDMI cable adapter. Now this thing is actually really cool because you can take it, and I'm showing you how to plug it into if you have troubles. Take the HDMI port first and you plug it into the obviously your HDMI port like so. So you get to play stuff off your tablet, phone, whatever on your screen. So then after you plug that in, you want to take your power source, and I'm trying to do this one-handed, so bear with me here. You want to take that and plug it in like so. Sorry about that. Like I said, I'm trying to do this one-handed. And then after that, you want to take your phone or tablet or whatever you have, and then take the other end and plug it in like so. And then after you do that, you'll get your screen, and then you can, once it loads, you will get your video that you want to show. And if you want to watch that, I got another video showing my clips that I have of this stuff. When I was in Orlando, Florida at Walt Disney World, they had a car stunt show. So that is how you hook up your Foseal 6.5 feet micro USB to HDMI cable. I will have the link to this cable in the description. Please subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks. Bye.